Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Check that your carrier allows 5G on your account and request a 5G provisioned SIM if required. Once done, power off your 4G phone and prepare a 5G source, either a 5G phone set as a hotspot or a dedicated 5G portable router. Make sure the 5G device has active data and battery. Insert correct SIMs only as instructed by the carrier, and install any pending OS carrier updates before continuing. Now configure the 5G source. Pick an SSID, use WPA2 or WPA3, and enable 5G only band if the device exposes that option. Then, on your 4G phone, join the hotspot network and verify IP assignment. Once connected, load a speed test page so you can compare throughput. If your carrier specified APN settings for tethering, update them on the 5G device or in the hotspot app. Otherwise, leave defaults. Make sure battery saver is off to avoid throttling. Finish by validating performance. Run several tests, stream a short video, and confirm consistent throughput. If results are poor, move the 5G hotspot to a window or higher location to improve signal, then retest. If you still lack internet, reboot both devices, reset the SIM, and verify the carrier has enabled tethering and 5G provisioning for your account. One key troubleshooting tip: if tethered devices get no data, test the 5G source on its own. This isolates SIM or provisioning issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.